This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Siegel. Some photos have been virtually staged. Experience relaxing living with no yard work and lots of amenities. Totally restored golf villa with high-end finishes from quartz countertops to dovetail drawers to new flooring, plumbing, light fixtures and door hardware. This stunning property combines architectural practicality and modern functionality. Constructed by a custom home builder with concrete block and stucco for structural integrity and soundproofing, even the common walls are concrete block. This home is perfect for those seeking to downsize or someone making their first purchase with no compromises. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Large screened porch with golf course view, oversized kitchen with all new appliances. Low HOA fees with newer roof and paint. Community amenities include huge swimming pool, pickleball, tennis and basketball courts. Don't miss the opportunity to live in a home that truly has it all. Schedule your private tour today and experience the luxury, security, and convenience this exceptional property offers. Your dream home awaits. Make it yours now. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeffrey Siegel at 352-538-7937.